Transform into...
home of my favorite feline heroes, the SuperKitties! Yeah! Oh wait, before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Jess Kitten. Yeah! Thank you, thank you. What are all of your names? Shout them out on 3. 1, 2, 3! It's so nice to meet all of you! Okay, I don't know about all of you, but I love birthday parties. Do you love birthday parties? Yeah? Do you know what we call them around here? Birthday parties. Ah, come on. Speaking of birthday parties, today the SuperKitties are throwing a surprise birthday party for Pickles, the SuperKitties' #1 superfan in all of Kittydale. This is Pickles' invitation. And this is Pickles. Yeah! Junior chefs, our mission today is to create delectable cupcakes for Pickles' birthday party. Are you ready? Let me hear you say meow. Yeah, all right. I am not kidding around. This is going to be the most kit-tacular celebration. The possibilities are endless, and so are my puns. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. No, please, no. Hey, since we're here at the Purr and Play, I need to teach you the SuperKitties' signature move, paws out, claws out. You want to learn it? Okay, follow along. It's really easy. We go like this. Paws out, claws out. There it is. Let's try it again. Paws out, claws out. Even louder. Come on, let me hear you. Let's go. Paws out, claws out. That was awesome. All right, I know you're getting ready to decorate your cupcakes, but first, we got to warm up our decorating muscles a little bit. You know the best way to do that is by dancing. So let's do some dance moves to the SuperKitties' #1 favorite song, Come On and Roll. All right, everybody, get your paws. Let me see you roll. And now let me see you shake like this. All right, here we go. Follow along. Come on and roll. No time to stroll. Time to feel that super feeling in our soul. Come on, let's go. Because we know from our whiskers to our tail, there's no way that we can fail. Come on and roll. Meow! Give yourself a round of applause. Wasn't Come On and Roll so much fun? I love it.
Some would say, come on and roll.
Look, everyone, it's our friends Ginny, Sparks, Buddy, and Bitsy. Say hi.
Hello, new friends. There's so many of you.
We are all so excited to help plan Pickles' birthday party.
Pickles is gonna be so surprised.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, kitties, let's make sure we have everything.
Good idea, Ginny.
Decorations. Got 'em. And they're super sparkly. Perfect, Bitsy. Games. I've got balls of yarn and squeaky toys to play with. Awesome job, buddy. Birthday cake.
Our friend Biscuit is on her way with the cake.
Looks like we have everything. Kitty cat, kitty cat. It's the Super Kitty call. No way.
Adorable baby, but troubles no match you see. They realize and fearlessly respond to the call. Ginny, Sparks, Buddy.
Oopsie kitty.
And Bitsy, so
Let's see who needs our help. Super Kitties, help!
It's Biscuit.
Someone stole Pickle's birthday cake from the treat truck.
It's a kitty catastrophe.
Super Kitties are on it.
Super Kitties, how can we help make sure that Pickles has the most perfect birthday?
Pickles loves cupcakes.
While we find out who took Pickle's birthday cake, you and our new friends can start on the cupcakes.
Positively, we are on it.
Toss in, Super Kitties. We're brave.
We're smart.
We're strong. We're kind. Super Kitties, go!
Meow! Meow is right! All right, Junior Chefs, you heard the Super Kitties. It is time to save the day with a little creativity. Are you ready to make some cupcakes? Let me hear you say meow. Yeah. But first, we gotta level up with some cupcake decorating kits. You know what we call them around here? Kitty kits. Let me see you do this. See? Thinks it's funny. Thank you, thank you. They've got cupcakes, they've got sprinkles, they've got frosting, they've got everything you need. So once you get your kitty kit, go ahead and open it up, take everything out, start decorating your cupcakes. But if you don't know where to start, don't get hysterical. Just pause and ask yourself, what would the Super Kitties do? All right, let's see. Let's get to work, everybody. Oh, those look so good. Oh, already getting started. What a great line of frosting. Great job. These are looking so good already. You must be professional cupcake decorators. Wow.
It's really hard to get anything.
Okay, it looks like we've got some blue frosting and pink frosting. You know what happens if you mix blue frosting and pink frosting? It makes purple. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's purple. Yeah. It's already purple, you're set.
You need the DOS password.
But remember, we call it purple. These are looking so good. Look at that mountain of frosting. Thank you, thanks. Oh, wow. Amazing. You know, if you get really hungry and you want something with your cupcake, you know what else you can have? A meow-caroon. Or if you need something to drink, you can have a cappuccino. If you're like really, really hungry and you need like real food, you can have a hamburger.
Cupcakes are huge.
I gotta say, you all have the most positive catitude. I mean, no, I'm sorry, no, I'm done. I really am. You're all doing such a superb job. I mean, no, I'm really done. I'm sorry, I'm done. It's just that my cat puns are just so amusing. Well, thank you. I've got a meowlion of them. Whoa. Did you all hear that? There it is again. I don't know. That meow sounds awfully familiar. I think it's Figaro. Figaro was a little kitty cat. Figaro is Minnie Mouse's cat. Wouldn't that be the best if Minnie Mouse was here? What are y'all pointing at? What? Who? Where? No way. What? Minnie Mouse? Oh, it's so good to see you. Hello. Everybody say hi, Minnie. Minnie, what are you doing here? Wait. Don't tell me. Figaro was invited to the birthday party too. I knew it. You know what they say? Cats may lounge in the sun all day unless they're invited to a fun party. Hey, ho, hey, meow. Yeah. Oh, Minnie, you're probably wondering where the Super Kitties are. They're off solving the mystery of Pickle's missing birthday cake. No, don't worry. Our brave junior chefs are here to save the day and decorate cupcakes for Pickles just in case. Are they doing an amazing job? It is Confection Perfection. Oh, Minnie, I know that baking is your favorite. Do you perhaps have a couple tips for our junior chefs on how to make the most delectable baking delights? You do? Oh, I love that. Minnie says create from the heart. Can we all do that together, junior chefs? Ah, so good. Thank you, Minnie. That's amazing. You have something else? What? No way. No way. Minnie Mouse knows paws out, claws out? We all know paws out, claws out. Wait a second. Could we all do paws out, claws out together with Minnie Mouse? All right, everybody, get your paws up. I want to hear it nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Paws out, claws out. That was amazing. Let's do it again. Paws out, claws out. Louder in the back. Let me hear you. Come on. Paws out, claws out. That was meowsing. All right, Minnie, I know you have to go find Figaro, and I think he might have gone that way. Oh, wait, Minnie, before you go, could we all take a photo with you? That would be the icing on the cake. Okay, Minnie, stand right here in the center. Perfect. Family and friends, get your cameras out. Junior chefs, go ahead and pick up your Confection Perfections, turn around and face your family and friends. And on the count of 3, we're gonna say, cheesecake. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, cheesecake. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. Oh, I heard Figaro. He's got to be over there. You don't want him to be late for the party. We'll see you later, Minnie. Everybody say bye, Minnie. Bye, Minnie. Thanks for stopping by. That was so cool. I can't believe Minnie came by. Wow. That just made my day.
Wow, look at all those delicious cupcakes.
And look, you found the missing birthday cake. This is Confection Perfection. Wait a minute. Who was the culprit?
It was Cat Burglar. He stole the cake.
Cat Burglar was so sad he wasn't invited, so he was gonna make sure no one enjoyed Pickle's birthday.
Let's invite Cat Burglar too. Birthdays are for sharing. It's so much better when no one feels left out. And I'm taking that to heart.
What a great lesson, Bitsy. But wait, since the Super Kitties found the missing birthday cake, that means you all get to take your cupcakes home. This is Confection Perfection.
Thank you, Super Helpers, for helping us save the day.
Bye, everyone.
Everybody say bye, Super Kitties. Congratulations, Junior Chefs. You are all heroes today. Give yourselves one more round of applause. All right, Junior Chefs, you can go ahead and pack up your cupcakes into your kitty kits because you get to take those home. Family and friends, you can come pick up your Junior Chefs in just a meow-nut, so please hang tight. Thank you all so much for helping us today. I want to hear one last, nice and loud, paws out, claws out. Are you ready? Get those paws up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Paws out, claws out. Bye, everybody. Cat